everyone, just about ready to head out fishing at 10 Killer Ferry Lake. It's my favorite lake in Oklahoma. It's way far east, really deep, rocky lake. It's loaded with smallmouth, largemouth, and spotted bass. So probably gonna fish the Ned rig quite a bit today. Kind of got a pattern figured out a little bit over the past week or so. So I'm gonna try to get on some fish for you guys and pick up some video. Stay tuned. There we go. Nice smallmouth. Come on, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Right there on the lifted jigs, the baby Bizz bug. Look at that chunk. This is what we're here after right here. I hit it on the fall. Oh my gosh. Did you see that jump? We've got a wild one on our hands. There we go. We'll take those all day long. Look at that. Nice one. Same thing. Lifted jigs, EWG. Another one on the lifted jigs. The baby Bizz bug by BizzBaits. Nice chunky fish. Good. Nice and tight. That lifted jigs. Look at that guy. Good looking little fish. Let's let him go. See you later, buddy. Baby Bizz bug by BizzBaits. That's what we're wrecking them on today. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. The lake's starting to get pretty busy. Lots of boats, pontoons, ski boats out here dragging a Ned rig around using the lifted jigs, extra wide gap Ned hook with the BizzBaits baby Bizz bug. Sitting in about 14 foot of water here. You can see how this chunk rock and the slate kind of piles down here off into the water. Looks like he's been caught before. Nice, solid, brown. largemouth. Oh, largemouth. I'll let you go. Oh, really? This guy is a little ambitious here. Barely fits in this guy's mouth. Come on, good girl. There we go. Look at this tank. Whoo-wee. Guys, check out this absolute tank I just stuck. Look at the colors on this fish. Beautiful smallmouth. So guys, just finished up fishing, leaving the lake now. I'm actually driving across the dam. You can probably see the water there behind me. But I had a really great day overall. Caught a lot of smallmouth, some largemouth, spotted bass, even some white bass and a crappie. But man, it was a great day. Caught a lot of fish on the Ned rig, crankbait, a variety of different things. But I'm gonna get this stuff edited, get it posted soon. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna be posting a lot more content here this coming next week. Thanks a lot, guys.